Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nokia 7373 refurbish video, part 2. I've managed to clean the motherboard. As you can see, I took all the covers off of it. This is how it looks. I'm using gloves because I hurt my fingers at work, actually at home. So yeah, you will want to see blood. Let's start the reassemble. Since no one responded on which keyboard face I should use, I'm going with the black one. Let's reassemble this phone. No, it's not from here. It is from here. Yeah. They almost look alike and it's a bit confusing. And this is the SD memory door. Should enter right here. There we go. Yes. Good. Oh, and this rubber from the camera. The mechanism. Yes. This is how it should be. Yes. The annoying cleaning part of the display. There we have it, nice and clean. Well, actually it comes like this. Yeah. As it should be. Well, it did the click, so yeah, it should be where it belongs. Yeah, we can see through this little portion here that the cable it's attached. Good. Now we can put this part. The other way. Trying to be as careful as possible because this cable is pretty sensitive. And, oh, it entered. Nice. As it should be. Yep, quite nicely. Yes. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm already in love. Okay, I'm gonna put this wrapper. Good. Yes, all the buttons are in place. Now to put the microphone. Come on. It's rubber, so yeah, it's sticky. Starting to look good. I'm actually excited. I can't wait to turn on this phone. The left speaker and the right speaker. Not on my watch. There we go. Keyboard keep. Come on now, don't be like that. Just wants to fall off. I won't let you fall. Ever. Wow, that sounded like a threat. And this here. Good. I took this from the original phone. Yeah. This is how it should be. Yeah, that's it. First click, second. Yes, yes, everything is in place. Good. Well, it does have a new charging port, so yeah, I guess I will keep that. Okay, it's in place. I thought it wasn't good. Okay, it's good. Yes. Let's see here. The power button, camera, volume up, volume down. It clicks perfectly, which means that it's an original body shell. Yes. Don't tighten it too hard or it might break the motherboard. Apparently those screws are in the motherboard placed. Yeah. Now to plug it in. Oh, just like that it entered. Easy. Nice. Just a little test. Oh, so smooth. Yes. Nice. The other way. Yes. To put back the antenna. Good. And to make a sandwich. Yeah, it's all in place. What I don't know for sure, but I think this is good. I have two of this. One is for 1.3 megapixel, one is for 2 megapixel. I'm guessing this one is a 2 megapixel phone. If not, I will just change the body. Ooh. Time for the moment of truth. Man, this phone is so beautiful. Don't you agree? This way, it opens this way. Perfect. Well, since I'm right-handed, now let's start it. I'm happy to see the screen more clearly now. I'm not setting the date or time. Yeah, I think it still has the problem when reading the memory. And now it's blocked, like last time. The circuit looked pretty good. I just cleaned it and yeah, so I'm thinking it's a problem with the software. It won't even turn off. Oh, it did. Good. Well, I will try to look for the firmware and update it. And if it works, I will put a link in the description where you can download it. And with the tools that you need. Yeah. Let's try and update it. I am back and happy to announce that it was a software problem. I've updated it and now it even has this effect. Now it's even reading the gallery. It wasn't working. Yes, camera. Yes, it works. So yeah, I was saying that I don't know if it's a 2 megapixel camera. It actually is a 2 megapixel camera. It even has the themes now. Well, standard Nokia and perihelion, if I'm saying it right. Let me get it closer. I wonder if it has the tones. Radio? Huh, I knew it. Even stereo widening, this is nice. Let's see, profiles, general. Personalize. Only 5 tones. Yeah, I will attach the software update in the description. Oh, I had an older PC with which I updated the other phones. Now I think the how you say it, power supply, it's dead, and this more modern PC that I use just doesn't work with the flashing programs, and I used the BB5 and choose all the files individually, and it worked. Now the phone works perfectly. You don't know how excited I am. I'm so happy. Can't wait to put this to display. So yeah, I can't stop laughing. I'm so happy. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this tutorial helpful in case you have a phone like this and want to refurbish it. And if you enjoyed it, leave a like. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my videos. Hit the notification icon so you won't miss any new videos. And I'll see you in the next video, where I promised I will refurbish this. Oh, and David, you suggested I refurbish this first and take the display from this one. I found the display, I ordered it. It should arrive, if not tomorrow, the next day. So, and this slide, actually, it's less wobbly than this one. So I'm going to refurbish this with the red body case, body shell. And this one, I'll put the black front and back and the new display. Anyways, both of the phones will be refurbished. And the next one will be the N70. That's the order you choose, that's how I do it. Yeah, so I wish you all the best and see you in the next video. Bye bye.